Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Johannes and I will show you how to buy the Polkadot coin, even if you're a complete beginner to cryptocurrency. So this will be a step-by-step tutorial where you will be able to buy the Polkadot coin basically with your credit or debit card. So I'm on Binance. I suggest you join through my link below this video in the description because you will get 5% kickback if you join through my link. You will get to a page that looks like this if you already haven't gotten an account on Binance. So you will just create your free account. I don't get any of your information, so don't worry about that. So when you have created your free account, it will only take you a minute or two. You can go to verify your account and you will get to Binance homepage. And what you'll see is buy and sell crypto in minutes. So we will just click buy now. After you've clicked buy crypto now, you can also check right up in the upper left corner. You can see pay with credit debit card, so you can just click there as well. You will get to a page that looks like this. So you can see right here buy crypto, spend. You can see US dollars, but you can choose, if you click right here, from lots of different fiat currencies. So you choose whatever you like there. You can see buy. Right now it's on BTC, Bitcoin. You can click on the BTC. You can see search right here. You can just search for dot. And you can see right here dot Polkadot. This is the Polkadot coin that you can buy. So you can see right here you can spend between $15,000 and $5,000. So just go with whatever amount you'd like. I'll just type in 15 because it's the lowest, and what you can see right here is buy, and you will see how much Polkadot you get from spending $15. And you will see new card. So all you have to do from this point is to click on buy dot, and you will see buy with card, enter card information. So you will just fill in the details right here, fill in the card number, expiry date, security code. You'll click next with your card details, etc., and have clicked next. You will see enter card billing address, and that's basically all you have to do. Just fill in the details here and you click pay now, and that's how you buy Polkadot with your credit card or debit card. It's very simple. I'll also show you how you can trade other cryptocurrencies if you already have an account on Binance and have bought some cryptocurrencies. You can just go on to trade and you can click convert, and where you will see trade Bitcoin, BNB, and other cryptocurrencies easily in one go. So let's say you have, for an example, Bitcoin right now on Binance. You can select from BTC and to. You can look for dot right there. You can see to dot. So you will transfer your BTC into Polkadot. You just enter an amount. So let's take the least amount. You will see preview conversion. Okay, that's least preview conversion. And you will see price, how much Polkadot you will get from one Bitcoin, etc. I don't have enough balance to make the trade, but that's how simple it is. So if you have gotten any value from this tutorial, I would love you to actually hit the thumbs up or thumbs down if you didn't understand how to buy Polkadot. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more crypto tutorials, or if you're interested in cryptocurrency in general, because I will try trading, etc. I might already have uploaded the trading video by now. So we'll see. Just keep your eyes open, and I hope to see you around.